In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get into Notion using Google, then navigate to Team Spaces and create a brand new space for your team. I'll point out what to look for on each screen so you feel confident following along. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. You should see the official Notion website show up near the top. Look for the result that clearly displays the Notion brand and the domain ending with notion.com. This helps ensure you're landing on the legitimate site and not a lookalike. Click through to open the Notion homepage. Once you're on the Notion website, find the Login button, typically at the top right of the page. Click Login. You'll be taken to the Sign-in screen, where you can enter your usual credentials or use a single sign-on option like Google or Apple, depending on what your workspace supports. If you see multiple workspaces, choose the one you want to work in today. If you're new to Notion, you'll also see the option to create an account on this page, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on logging in to continue to your workspace. After you've signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar inside Notion. Find and click Team Spaces. Team Spaces are shared hubs where groups collaborate, keep pages organized, and manage access in one place. Clicking Team Spaces opens the area where all your existing spaces are listed, making it easy to see what already exists and where a new one might fit. Now, click Add New. This begins the process of creating a fresh team space. You'll typically be prompted to give it a clear name and, optionally, a description so teammates know what belongs there. A short, specific name is best. Think along the lines of Marketing Hub, Product Specs, or Support Playbooks. You can also pick an icon or color if your workspace allows, which makes scanning the sidebar much faster. If permission settings appear, choose who should have access and at what level. As a quick rule of thumb, grant the fewest permissions needed to keep work moving and adjust later as your team grows. That's it. You searched for Notion using Google, logged in from the official site, opened Team Spaces in the sidebar, and created a new space with Add New. Give your team space a strong descriptive identity now, and it will stay organized as your content expands. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Notion.